Oh yes, they want Mama Jesus, Afamobo, Madam Theresa Omembojiso, all the way from Abagana. Welcome to another episode of Quick Pronunciation Hall. Now my guest right now, anyway, before I introduce her, did they really like you? Cause scope for Jalab.
Do you really like me? Cause scope Jalam.
You like me, but can I say the same for you?
Excuse me?
I'm not mad. Can I say the same for you?
My husband loves me, my dear. What do? Go from men to men?
What?
You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Okay.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the wonderful, the very beautiful. I mean, look at her now. Yeah, from now for 10 years.
One lecture.
One lecture.
One Sarah. One doki. You're right. I need to eat if you're right name to look good, but you know, let's go on.
Ugoccie, a wonderful musician. Let's go on to the first word.
Bridge.
Oh, yes, that is absolutely correct. Oh yes, the correct pronunciation but no bridge. Oh yes, and even when they got bridge and kind of cross over, you know.
Oh, okay.
So would you like to explain to them the kind of bridge we're talking about now?
In musical terms and terminologies, before I banned the main chorus.
Okay.
So, these days, when they name my pre-hook before Mezier hook and then main chorus. In layman's terms, just generally my bridge is like crossing over into something. So, on here, just cross it over into the chorus.
Oh.
So, bridge.
That's nice. The next word. Producer. I'm very surprised, honestly, because one look at you, mother get no easy. But thank God you are redeeming yourself. So because that's correct, producer, truly. My phone will not be a producer. I'll be on a producer, okay? It is producer. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the next word.
Organ.
That is correct. That is correct. But we are not in America. Excuse me.
Yes, you're quite excused. But I have to like clear you. That word is so simple.
Of course.
Who doesn't know that? Your kids.
Truly, the correct pronunciation is organ. America. You enunciate the R sound, but another is organ. It's a people can the British say another organ.
You go British.
Let's move on. The next word.
I think I got this in the bag. Acoustic.
Acoustic. Acoustic. Money chaining with there, just to be clear.
Acoustic.
Acoustic. The correct pronunciation of the word is acoustic.
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 What was acoustic? My lipstick.
Acoustic. Yes. My lipstick. You mean the one you do not have?
At least what I'm wearing belongs to me.
So what I'm wearing, who does it belong to?
We know you pilfer things for a living.
I do what?
You pilfer.
Oh my goodness! Yeah, are you referring to all your exes? Are they the ones that left you destitute? It's the weather, right? Let's go on. Yes. The next word. Chorus. Hey, you can play with such confidence, but it's obvious that you do not know what you are saying. Okay? It sounds more like chorus. Chorus. Yes, hide your shame. Hide your shame, you should.
But at least I was getting some other ones.
Well, you were indeed. I mean, you're better than a lot of people we've had on the show, and that's saying something. So let us go on. I think this is the final word.
As an ex-chorister, this is very easy. Modulation.
Modulation.
And where do you feel? Let me even, I feel like I'm the one teaching you this one. Modulation.
Okay. I'm not helping you, Biko. Ladies and gentlemen, it's truly modulation. And nobody marry modulation, but just check your dictionary. Nobody feeling like I Acoustic. If you did not notice, all the words we pronounced were music related, okay?
Yes.
Yes, bridge, chorus, modulation, producer. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us. This has been Quick Pronunciation Hall. I'm Madam Theresa so all the way from Abagana. And of course, my beautiful guest, Ugoccie. Wanyoma, why like this, heavenly melodies. Thank you so much. Oh, yes, because, more like lashes.
You guys.